ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Hare Krishna, welcome to today's topic, that is further pastimes of Lord Balaram. So it is around 3 years old, when Lord Balaram was around 3 years old, that when Jasoda tied Krishna, that is Damodar Leela, that same day this Leela happened also. Balaram and Krishna, they both went to, it is stated in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto 11th chapter text 12, Sarit Tira Gatam Krishnam Bhagnarjunam Athahvayat Ramam cha Rohini Devi Kridantam Balakai Vrusam. The day when that Jamrajuna trees were uprooted by the Lord in his Damodar Leela, the same day Krishna and Balaram went to Sarit Tira, near the river Jamuna. Sarit Tira Gatam Krishna and Rama both went there. Bhagnarjuna Athahvayat. That day these two trees were uprooted by the Lord Krishna. And Rohini Ma went there to call them back to the house so that they would take their food, lunch. Ramang cha Rohini Devi Kridantam Balaki Vrusam. And when Rohini Devi went there, Jasoda sent Rohini to call those two boys to back to the house so that they will take some prasad, lunch food. And Rohini Devi went there, and Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says, to show how Krishna and Balaram were controlled more by Jasoda's affection than by Rohini's, Sukadev tells another pastime which occurred on the same day after the breaking of the Jamrajuna trees. So Rohini went there, and that is known as, they were the boys, Krishna, Balaram and all his boy friends, all their boy friends were playing there, Ramana Reti, that is known as Ramana Reti. And they were Ramana, that Reti means sand, and Ramana, they were getting so much pleasure, bliss. Ramana Reti, that place is known as Ramana Reti. So there Rohini went and called Krishna. Kridatang Balaki Vrusam, they were very passionately they were playing there. So, and Rohini called them, Nopayatang Jadahutang Jadahuto Krida Sangena Putrako Jasodang Presayamasa Rohini Putravatsalam. So even Rohini called them many times, Krishna, Balaram, come, but they were not listening. They were so much engrossed in their play. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, he is also playing, that is his childhood pastimes, very nice pastimes. And Devaki and Vasudev, they were deprived of these pastimes. However, Rohini was fortunate to observe these pastimes. So when Krishna Balaram didn't listen, they were very much engrossed in playing, and so Rohini went back. So he Nopayatang Jadahutang Krida Sangena Putrako. Those two sons, they were Rohini's son was Rama, Balaram, and Krishna is the son of Jasoda, but Rohini Ma was also thinking him as her son. That's why this bhava was stated by Sukadeva Goswami, Putrakavu. They are also, he is also my son. Putrakavu, that bhava is there. So Jasodang Presayamasa Rohini Putravatsala. Jasoda and Rohini went back and sent Jasoda because Putravatsala. They are more controlled by Jasoda than Rohini, as Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says in his commentary. So, when Krishna and Balaram did not respond to her call, Rohini sent Jasoda because she knew that Jasoda had more affection for the two boys and therefore could attract them. Jasoda could be able to bring them back. Anyway, Jasoda went there to that Ramanareti place, Gokul. This place was Gokul in Mahavana. This pastime was going on. The Lord stayed there for up to 3 months, 3 years. Thereafter, that place was left and they went to Vrindavan. So in 14th verse it is stated, Kridantam sa sutang balai atibelang sagrajam Jasoda ajoho bit krusnang putra sneha snutasnani. When Jasoda went there, she saw Kridantang sa sutang balai atibelang sagrajam. Atibelam. Jasoda saw Krishna and Balaram being attached to their play, were playing with the other boys, although it was very late. It is almost noon time. Lunch time was there already, and Nanda Maharaj was waiting when his two sons will come so that they will take their lunch. So much affectionate for their children. The Lord, they are not ordinary boys. How to speak of others? So in this way, Jasoda went, Kridantang sa sutang balai atibelang sa grajam Jasoda ajohobit krusnang putra sneha snutasnani. Jasoda called loudly, putra sneha snutasnani. When Jasoda saw her son and milk came out of her breast, so much affection for her child. Here Bhasanath Thakur says, Bhikshanath Thakur says that Jasoda called Krishna and Balaram again and again, Ajovapati, many times she called. She called the boys from a distance. She didn't went near that playing place, but from a distance, because she feared that they would run away if she came close. She thought that if she goes there nearby, then they will go away. That's why she was calling loudly from a distant place. How she was calling? Krishna, Krishna, Arvindakhya, Tata stanang piva, alang bihare khyutkhyantah, kida sranto si putraga. And this is calling loudly, Krishna, Krishna, Arvindakhya. Krishna, when Jasoda calls Krishna, the name Krishna is so attractive. She could not restrain from calling again Krishna. The name is so attractive, Krishna. It attracts. Krishna, Krishna, Arvindakhya. Oh, lotus-eyed, my son, Arvindakhya, Tata stanang piva. Come, you will take my breast milk, come. And alang bihari khyutkhyanta, now you are very much hungry. You have played so much, you have played for such a long time. Kidasanta si pitraka, you will be very tired now. You can't take food, it is time for food. In this way, when Jasoda called many times, He Rama agacchatatasya sanuja kulanandana pratareva krutahara tat bhavan bhaktumarati. Then he called Rama. He Rama agaccha tata, my son, you come. Asu sanuja kulanandana, your younger brother, you are the crest jewel of our Bansa, our Kulanandana. Pratareva krutahara, you have taken food in the morning, so you must be hungry. Krutahara, tad bhavan bhaktumarati. So take food now, it is time for food. In this way, Jasoda Ma called, and finally, Jasoda Ma, Dhuli dusaritangastvang putra majjanamavaha janmarkhyang te adya bhavati viprebhyo dahikaha suchi. Then Jasoda Ma said, now you should come, you are having so much dust in your body, you clean yourself, and you give some some donation, some dana, some charity, because today is your Janma Nakshatra. Of course, that was his not birthday, but he told it a lie. Jiva Goswami says in Gopal Champu, just to persuade them to come back. In this way, very much in this way, persuading so many times, then he finally itang jasoda tamasase sekharang matva sutang sneha nibaddhadi nrupa haste gruhitva saram machyutam nitva suvatang krutavatyo vatyo thodayam. In this way, Jasoda went near them and caught hold of them, their hands, and dragged them, so to say, to their house. It is stated there. And my dear Maharaj Parikshit, because of intense love and affection, Mother Jasoda, Krishna's mother, considered Krishna, who was at the peak of all opulences, to be her own son. Thus she took Krishna by the hand along with Balaram and brought them home, where she performed her duties by fully bathing them, dressing them and feeding them. In this way, the boyhood pastimes are described. Okay, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.